Hello, everyone. Welcome. Today we will practice easy English speaking with another simple story. Relax. Take a slow breath. Good. Remember, the best way to improve English is listening, repeating, and imagining the scene. Ready? Let's start. It is a sunny afternoon in Los Angeles. The sky is bright blue. People are walking on the sidewalk. Some people are shopping. Some are drinking coffee. Near a busy street, there is a small bookshop. Inside the bookshop, a young woman is standing near the shelves. Her name is Emma. Emma moved to the United States 3 months ago. She understands some English, but speaking English is still difficult for her. Sometimes she feels shy. Sometimes she forgets words. But Emma has a dream. She wants to become more confident in English. So today she decides to practice. Emma walks slowly between the shelves. There are many books: travel books, cooking books, story books. So many books, Emma whispers. She picks up a book about travel. The cover shows beautiful mountains. Wow, this looks interesting, she says softly. But suddenly someone speaks. Hello, can I help you? Emma turns around. Oh, it is the bookstore clerk, a friendly man with a warm smile. Emma feels a little nervous, but she remembers her goal: practice English. She smiles politely. Yes, hello. I am looking for, Oops, she forgets the word. Emma thinks. Then she explains. A book about traveling. The clerk nods. Oh, I see. He walks to another shelf. He picks up a book. This one is very popular, he says. Emma looks at the book. Travel Across America. Emma smiles. Wow, nice. The clerk asks, Do you like traveling? Emma nods quickly. Yes, I love traveling. She laughs softly. But my English is not very good. The clerk smiles kindly. That's okay. You are doing great. Emma feels relieved. Thank you. Emma walks to the counter with the book. She wants to buy it. The clerk scans the book. That will be $12, he says. Emma takes her wallet. She pays the money. Here you go, she says. The clerk gives her the book in a small bag. Thank you. Emma smiles. Thank you, too. Emma walks outside the bookshop. She sits on a bench near the street. She opens the book and looks at the pictures. Beautiful places, she says. Suddenly, she hears someone nearby. A girl sitting on the same bench is talking on the phone in English. Emma listens carefully. The girl speaks clearly and confidently. Emma whispers to herself, Wow, I want to speak like that. After a few minutes, the girl finishes her call. She smiles at Emma. Hi. Emma smiles back. Hello. The girl points to Emma's book. Oh, that book is great. Emma looks surprised. Oh, really? The girl nods. Yes, I read it last year. Emma feels excited. Maybe we can talk about travel. But she feels shy again. Should she start a conversation or should she stay quiet? Emma takes a deep breath. Maybe this is the perfect moment to practice English. But what will she say first? We will find out very soon. In the next part, Emma will try to start a conversation with the girl on the bench. Will she feel nervous? Will the conversation go well? Or will she say, "Oops, I forgot my words"? We will see very soon. Hello again. Welcome back. Let's continue our English story. Relax. Take a deep breath. Good. Remember, the more you listen and repeat, the easier English becomes. Ready? Let's continue Emma's story. Emma is sitting on the bench outside the bookshop. Next to her is a friendly girl. The girl just finished a phone call. She smiled and said hello. Emma is holding her new travel book. She feels excited, but also a little nervous. She wants to start a conversation, but she is thinking, what should I say? Emma takes a deep breath. Okay, I will try. She looks at the girl and smiles. "Excuse me," Emma says politely. The girl turns toward her. "Yes?" Emma holds up the book. "You said you read this book before." The girl nods. "Yes, it's a very good book." Emma feels more comfortable now. That's nice. Emma asks, "Do you like traveling?" The girl smiles widely. "Whoa, yes, I love traveling." Emma laughs softly. "Me too." The girl continues, "My name is Olivia, by the way." Emma smiles. "Oh, nice to meet you. I'm Emma." Olivia shakes her hand. "Nice to meet you too." Emma feels happy. The conversation is going well. Olivia asks, "So, Emma, where are you from?" Emma answers slowly, "I am from Spain." Olivia nods. "Spain, that's beautiful." Emma smiles proudly. "Yes, it is." Then Olivia asks another question. "Is this your first time in Los Angeles?" Emma nods. "Yes, I moved here 3 months ago." Olivia looks impressed. "Whoa, that's exciting." Emma laughs. "Yes, but my English is still learning." Olivia smiles kindly. "That's okay. You are speaking very well." Emma feels relieved. "Thank you." Emma opens the travel book again. She shows Olivia a picture. "Look at this place," Emma says. Olivia leans closer. "Oh, that's the Grand Canyon." Emma's eyes get bigger. "Whoa, really?" Olivia nods. "Yes, I visited there 2 years ago." Emma looks amazed. It looks beautiful." Olivia smiles. "It is amazing." Then Olivia says something interesting. "You should visit it someday." Emma laughs. "Yes, maybe one day." The conversation continues naturally. Emma asks, "Do you travel often?" Olivia thinks for a moment. Maybe once or twice a year." Emma nods. That sounds nice." Olivia asks Emma, "What places do you want to visit?" Emma thinks carefully. Then she answers, "I want to visit New York and the Grand Canyon and maybe Chicago." Olivia laughs. "Good choices." Emma suddenly realizes something. She has been speaking English for several minutes without fear, without stopping. Wow. Emma smiles proudly. I am doing it." Olivia notices her smile. "What are you thinking about?" she asks. Emma laughs softly. "I am happy. I am practicing my English." Olivia smiles. "That's great." After some time, Olivia checks her watch. "Oh, I need to go," she says. Emma nods. "Okay." Olivia stands up. "It was nice talking with you." Emma smiles warmly. "Yes, very nice." Then Olivia says, "Keep practicing your English." Emma nods confidently. "I will." Olivia waves goodbye. "See you." Emma waves back. "Bye." Emma sits on the bench again. She feels proud. Today she ordered a book in English and she had a real conversation with a stranger. Wow. Emma whispers to herself, "Yeah, I'm improving." Sometimes confidence grows from one small conversation. Maybe you can try the same thing. Talk to someone. Ask simple questions. Use easy sentences. Don't worry about mistakes. Oops. Mistakes help you learn. Just speak. Step by step, day by day, your English will become stronger. And one day you will say, "Wow, I can speak English." Yeah.